Hey guys, if you're doing dropshipping, I need to show you something. You know how everyone talks about passive income, but behind the scenes, you're up at night dealing with suppliers, refunding customers, or manually placing orders? Yeah, that was me too. It felt like running a full-time customer service department, not a business. One day, I literally sat down and wrote out every little task I was doing: order tracking, handling delays, errors, back and forth chats, complaints. It added up to hours. And in one bad day alone, I lost over $1,000 because of supplier mistakes. That's when I realized this isn't scalable, so I started looking for a better way. That's when I came across a plugin called FullSend. It sounded too good at first. One-click product sourcing, verified warehouses, AI tools, and it's actually free, no subscription. I tried it, and to be honest, it replaced 80% of the stuff I used to do manually. Here's how it works. You get access to over 200,000 products ready to sell. You can one-click import them to your Shopify store. You don't need to talk to random agents or deal with messy spreadsheets. There's zero storage fees, 95% quality control pass rates, and real warehouse footage you can see. Their team actually inspects every product. You also get built-in AI tools, auto quotations, AI-powered product research, multilingual customer service. They even have a feature called Winning Product Radar. You literally lock in trending products in your niche with one click. Before FullSend, I was staying up late waiting for supplier replies, calculating storage costs by hand, fixing order errors manually, dealing with refund requests and complaints. But with FullSend, I source, import, and fulfill in one click. The plugin handles the rest. I had a funny moment. A friend of mine messaged me complaining like, "Bro, this plugin sucks. My store's a mess again." Turned out he was using a pirated version. Once he switched to the real FullSend, the support team replied instantly and the issues were gone. There's even a pop-up that says multilingual support available when you message them. Now here's what surprised me most. The plugin is completely free, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no catch. This plugin changed the way I run my store, and if you're serious about dropshipping, it'll probably do the same for you. So in case you are interested, DM me FullSend, and I'll send it over.